Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about 2025 Yamaha SuperJet Base Performance Review. The 2025 Yamaha SuperJet Base brings a legacy of adrenaline and agility into the new model year with refined engineering and updated aesthetics. Designed for those who crave precision handling and tight turns on the water, the SuperJet continues to be a favorite among professional racers and thrill-seeking recreational riders alike. With a compact and lightweight build, this stand-up watercraft has always stood out, and in 2025, Yamaha has focused on enhancing that legacy even further. At the heart of the SuperJet is Yamaha's TR1 marine engine, a 4-stroke, 3-cylinder powerhouse that delivers punchy acceleration while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. The 1049cc displacement gives this engine a distinct advantage over 2-stroke predecessors by offering smoother power delivery, more reliability, and lower emissions. The transition to a 4-stroke format hasn't just made it more eco-friendly, it's also made maintenance simpler and performance more consistent, even after extended rides. The SuperJet's lightweight fiberglass hull, combined with its narrow beam and aggressive nose design, allows for exceptional maneuverability on the water. Whether you're carving through tight buoys or practicing freestyle tricks, the 2025 SuperJet responds with pinpoint accuracy. Yamaha's engineers have fine-tuned the hull shape and ride plate to give riders more control, especially in choppy conditions. This model thrives on precision. The balance is exceptional, giving riders confidence even when pushing limits. The tray and handle pole design are ergonomically shaped to reduce fatigue, so you can ride harder, longer. A standout feature of the 2025 Yamaha SuperJet is its adjustable handle pole. Riders can customize the height and angle to fit their preferred riding style, whether they're cruising, racing, or performing tricks. This adjustability significantly enhances rider comfort and control. Additionally, the spring-assisted handle pole makes it easy to raise and lower with minimal effort, a detail that seasoned riders will appreciate. Yamaha also continues to offer wide traction mats for enhanced grip, a critical factor during high-speed maneuvers or sharp turns. The SuperJet also boasts a lean-forward riding position that naturally encourages better balance and reduces drag. This design philosophy is no accident, it's been refined over years of feedback from racers and pro riders. Combined with a minimalist dashboard and clean layout, riders can focus entirely on performance without distractions. There's no unnecessary tech cluttering the experience, just pure, rider-focused design. It's a purist's machine in every sense. Despite its performance-focused nature, Yamaha has not overlooked safety. The L-mode feature is especially helpful for newcomers, limiting the engine power output to help them build confidence before unleashing the full potential of the machine. This makes the 2025 SuperJet surprisingly approachable for beginners while still being capable of meeting the demands of professional use. It bridges that gap between accessibility and high performance beautifully. The new SuperJet weighs approximately 375 pounds, keeping it light enough for agile movements but sturdy enough to handle rough conditions. Its compact size also makes transportation and storage more convenient. Launching and retrieving this model is straightforward, even for solo riders. Yamaha's commitment to ease of use extends into every detail, making the SuperJet a practical choice beyond just its on-water capabilities. Visually, the 2025 model receives updated graphics and a sleeker finish that emphasizes its aggressive nature. The streamlined body is not just for show, it plays a critical role in reducing drag and enhancing speed. Yamaha has carefully balanced aesthetics with functionality, resulting in a design that looks as fast as it feels. The striking color options available this year add to its visual appeal, making it stand out whether it's on the trailer or slicing through the waves. Fuel capacity remains at a generous 5 gallons, which provides an impressive amount of ride time considering the TR1 engine's efficiency. Riders can expect extended sessions without having to worry about refueling constantly. For recreational use, this means more fun and less interruption. For racers, it means an edge when every second counts. While the SuperJet remains true to its stand-up roots, Yamaha has integrated small but significant modern updates. Improved materials, corrosion-resistant components, and thoughtful construction help ensure long-term durability. Whether you ride in freshwater or saltwater, this machine is built to last. Maintenance is simplified thanks to easily accessible components and Yamaha's robust dealer network for service and parts. One of the most notable aspects of the SuperJet experience is its learning curve. While beginner-friendly in L mode, mastering its full performance requires skill and dedication. This is a watercraft that grows with you. As your confidence and abilities increase, so does your ability to extract more from its precise handling and sharp performance. It's incredibly rewarding for riders who enjoy a challenge and appreciate machines that respond directly to input. On water, the SuperJet Base is nothing short of exhilarating. The moment you launch, you feel the surge of the TR1 engine come to life beneath you. Carving hard turns, catching a little air off waves, or nailing that freestyle move, this model is tuned for adrenaline. It's not just about speed, it's about control, about responsiveness, about becoming one with the craft. And in 2025, Yamaha has taken that connection to a new level with subtle but impactful refinements. For enthusiasts who prioritize skill-based riding over sitting and cruising, the SuperJet Base continues to be the benchmark. Yamaha has stayed true to the essence of stand-up riding while giving it the performance, technology, and reliability riders expect today. It's compact, powerful, efficient, and a blast to ride. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha SuperJet Base isn't just another jet ski, it's a precision-built performance machine that rewards control, timing, and skill. With its reliable 4-stroke engine, lightweight design, and rider-focused ergonomics, it continues to set the standard for stand-up personal watercraft. Whether you're training for competition or just looking to have serious fun on the water, the SuperJet delivers the goods in a refined, responsive package. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.